Is vomiting with kennel cough serious? Have you ever wondered if vomiting with kennel cough is something to worry about? Let's break it down together. Kennel cough, which is medically known as infectious canine tracheobronchitis, is a contagious respiratory infection that affects the windpipe and large airways of dogs. The most noticeable symptom is a persistent, harsh, dry cough. Sometimes, this cough can be so intense that it leads to gagging or even vomiting. Now, the vomiting you might see is usually not a sign of a serious problem on its own. It often happens because the coughing fits irritate the throat, causing the dog to expel mucus or saliva. This can sometimes look like white foam. In many cases, dogs with kennel cough will still be active and have a good appetite, with vomiting occurring only occasionally after a coughing episode. For healthy dogs, kennel cough and the associated vomiting typically resolve on their own within a few weeks without any serious complications. However, there are situations where vomiting can be more concerning. Puppies, older dogs, or those with existing health issues may be at a higher risk for complications like pneumonia. This can worsen their breathing and overall health. If your dog is vomiting frequently or severely, it could lead to dehydration. It might also indicate that your dog is having trouble clearing mucus from their airways, which would requiring a visit to the veterinarian. Additionally, if the vomiting is accompanied by other symptoms such as lethargy, loss of appetite, labored breathing, or fever, it could point to a more serious illness or a secondary infection that needs immediate medical attention. Vomiting large amounts or vomiting blood or bile is not typical for kennel cough and should definitely be checked out by a veterinarian. While the vomiting linked to kennel cough is usually just a reflex from coughing, it is essential to keep an eye on your dog. Providing supportive care can make a difference. Keep your dog comfortable, avoid irritants like smoke or cold air, and make sure they stay hydrated. If the vomiting becomes more frequent or severe, or if you notice any other concerning symptoms, a veterinary visit is necessary to rule out complications and get the right treatment. So, while vomiting with kennel cough is generally not serious by itself, it is important to monitor your dog closely to ensure it does not indicate a worsening condition.